Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. This is a Mitsubishi Colt in red. It's a 1.5 turbo. We've done some modifications this morning. We've fitted a K&N induction kit and also a Scorpion non-resonated catback exhaust system, and it does sound lovely. Next up, we're going to do a stock power run when our Richard has closed the dyno cell doors. After the stock power run, we're going to program the standard ECU with EcuTek software. That gives us the ability to data log and make adjustments, and we'll be making some power from that point forward. So here we go. Okay, so initial power run done, and as you can hear, the rad fan is fired up. That means that we're programming the ECU. So base file on, and now it's time to start data logging and mapping. Let's see our Richard, shall we? How are you, our Richard?
I didn't die in my sleep, so I'm here.
You didn't die in your sleep, you're correct, that's why you are here.
Yeah.
And will you be here all day if you don't die at work?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Because obviously
I work till lunch on the day of my funeral.
And you'll be carrying your own coffin, mate.
Yeah, of course.
Right, so Ralliart, so pretty much bread and butter work for us. This has got some simple mods like a K&N induction kit and a Scorpion catback that you've just fitted. And we're aiming for about 200 brake, aren't we?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
One of the mill on one of these?
Yeah, let's do it. Right, red Ralliart in the house, and it's tuned up quite nicely. It's made over 200 brake horsepower, and it's made 220 foot-pound of torque.
201.
Yeah, well, that is over 200.
Well, I suppose it is 200.
Everybody knows that 201 brake horsepower is over 200 brake horsepower.
Obviously, if you own a Ford, that'd be 300 horsepower.
I love that joke. I love that joke. If you put stickers on the side of it, you make more power.
You do, yeah. Well, what you do is you tune your Ford to say 300 brake horsepower, and then you put a 375 sticker down the side of it, and it instantly makes it 375 brake.
Yeah, it does though.
Yeah, it does, yeah.
It does though.
Yeah.
It does though. Especially if it says it on the invoice as well.
Yeah.
Sticker pack.
Sticker pack.
370 brake. Anyway, back to Mitsubishi Colts. This one's done quite well. I like it.
Yeah, I think they're basic mods. You know, exhaust, catback, exhaust, and induction kit today, and tune. I mean, it's pretty much the best value for money you get on these cars.
Yeah, it really is though, isn't it?
Yeah, it is the best value for money. It's probably where, like we always say, where the car should have been from the factory in the first place.
Yeah.
Make a great driving car there. It's absolute the best value for money. You can go spending more money, you can put intercoolers on, you can do a load more work, and there's not really a lot more power to be had. The turbo's pretty much strung out there.
Yeah.
As we say at the minute, if you're going to go stage 2,
you might as well do it with the hybrid
you might as well do it with the hybrid turbo and get the same kick that you almost get from.
If you're going to spend those big bucks, you might as well stick a £550 turbo on the build as well and get 270, 260 brake.
And make that sort of like when we've made sort of 50 brake horsepower on your stage 1 mat, it's to make the same 50 to sort of 60 brake horsepower.
It's that punch again, it's that feel
again.
of achievement.
Certainly makes it worthwhile, in my opinion. So, should we have a look at the graph?
Let's do it. Let's have a look at the graph. No silly noises. Right, there we go. So red line is as you came in, blue line is as you leaves, and you can see that we finish on 201 brake horsepower, which is 200 plus brake horsepower in my book, and 220 foot-pound of torque. So there we go. Richard's doing a bit, and we'll see you on the next video, won't we, Rich? Got anything to add to that, Joshua?
Hi. That's okay.
You've wrecked that video, you know that, don't you?
Sorry. I don't know what to say, you put me on the spot.
Well, see, I thought you were doing all sorts of drama and shit. Fucking hell, messed it up. Right.
Makeup on.
Yeah.
Stage lights.
No makeup on. Right, we'll see you all on the next one.